Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's move on to our next question. The question states that a body of mass 2 kg is driven by an engine delivering a constant power of 1 joule per second. The body starts from rest and moves in a straight line. After 9 seconds, the body has moved a distance of how many meters? So we have to find out after 9 seconds how much distance in meter has the body moved. So I am giving you 5 seconds to read out this question and then I will move on to the solution. Now let's check the solution. We know by the formula that work is half mv square, and now it is also equals to power into time. Now putting the above given data in the formula, we get T equals to u square, that is u is equals to under root T. Now integrating both the sides with respect to dx and dt, we get x equals to t to the power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2, and the range of t will be 0 to 9. On equating the sum, we get the value of x equals to 18 meter. Hence, the answer to this question is 18 meter. Hope you understood this question well. Thank you. See you in the next question.